Today, on the 29th of October 2025, at Mamelodi Magistrate Court in Pretoria, 38-year-old Tebogo appeared for the first time in the case of the double murder of cousins Tshiamo and Baliseng Muramaga. He is formally charged with 2 counts of murder, 1 count of attempted murder, possession of an unlicensed firearm, and unlawful possession of ammunition. Umnisi has abandoned his bail application, meaning he will stay in custody until his next hearing. His defense lawyer told the court that Umnisi has no previous convictions, no pending cases, and no protection orders against him. The matter has been postponed to the 19th of January 2026 for further investigation. Outside the court, family members and community supporters gathered, demanding accountability and justice for the 2 young women whose lives were cut short. The case remains open and under investigation. We'll keep you updated as new details emerge. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one. God bless you and ciao.